some miles to this motor for the break-in period. I am in the Spyder now, putting in some air. For some reason, this back tire, it keeps losing air, but I'm gonna get some new tires eventually before we go up to the tail of the Dragon. So far, I've driven it to work and everything a few times this week, but as you can see, the weather isn't the best right now, and it hasn't been this past week. So, you know, it is what it is. Gotta still drive the car. I missed out on a dyno day today with the Miata Club, well, Roadster Pilots Club anyway, and because I'm still in the break-in process, you know. So we're gonna go cruising today, safely, hopefully, just to add the miles and do the break-in properly. Hopefully it goes well, and I'll keep you guys posted on anything else that we might be getting into today. All right. Well, it's raining. So it's like a torrential downpour at the moment. I'm gonna wait it out. Yeah, Thor's pretty pissed apparently. I'm gonna wait it out a little bit here at 7-Eleven. I don't like driving the Spyder in the rain. It didn't look like it was gonna rain earlier, and well, it looked like it was gonna clear up, but obviously it has not yet. So hopefully it clears up soon. I live in a place where it's really prone to get flooded, so yeah. We'll see what happens. Get it. Get it, son. Get it, get it. Get it, get it. So it cleared up, but it looks like it's about to come down again. So headed home, guys. Alright guys, so I beat the weather here, back at home. The crazy part is, like, the sun is out and shining down that way, but down this way where I came from, it's pitch black. So that's Miami weather for you. Hopefully the weather passes and I could actually do some more driving. I gotta break in this motor so we can go to the dyno and get retuned, as it's on the Apexi. So we'll see. Until next time, guys.